Hello everybody, Gbenga Olatunji here, welcoming you to performance management, and we are looking at budgetary control system. And beyond budgeting model is under the budgetary control as a topic in our syllabus. And when we are talking about beyond budgeting model, just like when we say something is beyond something, that means it takes a step further or higher than what it has been before, or what existed before. So beyond budgeting model is an advance and an alternative to the traditional budgeting to make an organization to become more agile and more proactive rather than responsive, because it finds a lot of faults and issues based on research done by Hope and Fraser long time ago, that traditional budgeting is not that yielding, it's not yielding the effective results in a changing world that we find ourselves, and therefore there is need for an agile system that could be proactive and also decentralize the budgeting system and give power to the operational managers and the like, because they actually know what is going on rather than the armchair executive that budget and force it down on the other people, which actually will implement it whether they like it or not. This is just one among many disadvantages of the traditional budgeting system, and in this video we are going to concentrate on beyond budgeting 2 model, which actually has 12 basic principles, and the principles are actually divided into 2 for better understanding. Beyond budgeting model has 12 basic principles and they are divided into 2. The first one takes care of the effective system of performance management, while the other talks about the effective organization culture and behavior. Effective system and performance management is the first break, and the second half of the 12 is effective organizational culture and behavior. So this tells us that we can bash the 12 basic principles of beyond budgeting model into 2. The first 6 is about the effective organizational culture and behavior, and the last 6 is about effective system of performance management. Before we move on, it is important that we remind ourselves of what traditional method of budgeting is, and after this video we will be going into the standard costing variance analysis, so don't forget to join us by that time. So we are moving on to the business of the day about the beyond budgeting model, and we have a lot to actually deal with. So in this video we will talk about and refresh ourselves of what budget really is, types of budgetary control. Then we talk about which it is actually highly examinable. 12, we'll talk about the 10 issues with traditional budgeting. In the exams it can actually come out it has been asked before, and don't let them take you by surprise if again it is coming out. So what are the disadvantages or the issues with the traditional methods of budgeting, and what are the methods of budgeting that we initially have? So we'll remind ourselves, then we go into the 12 basic principles of beyond budgeting model, BBM. So if you are with us now, we would like you to comment and like. When you like and comment beyond budgeting model, that shows us that you are actually with us now. And on next video, we are going to do a shout out to you, calling you by your name out, that you are part of us. And don't forget to subscribe to GJAMES Associate channel. My name is Gbenga Olatunji, FCA. So we have established one